Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Zoom account. So whether you're on the Windows app or you're in the web browser, you can easily change your name on your account. So in the app on your PC, you can click your profile picture in the upper right. And from here, you will see profile. If you hover over that and click in my profile, it's going to open up the window of your profile on your PC, and as you can see right here, it does that. Now you will see your name right there, and if you want to edit it or change it, look towards the right and you'll find the edit button right here. You click on that and your name become available. So I'm gonna just basically say, for example, not Drew Totes, but let's say Drew Tutorial. Let's say that is my name, Drew Tutorial. And you can even change the display name if you want as well. You can change the pronunciation as well. You can choose pronoun and all that good stuff, right? So once you go ahead and change that, click and save, and that's how you change your name on your Zoom account.